exactly, known consciously, doesn't like being alone but loves company. La da 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 da, ba da ba da tweedle. Reggie is be getting to the calling of the dung beetle. Misery, not exactly, known consciously, doesn't like being alone but loves company. La da 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 da, ba da tweedle. Reggie is be getting to the calling of the dung beetle.
You're not the same dude I knew, man. You're not him. Cause you've been acting different since you've been hanging with him. You were the coolest one I knew, most distinguished of the pack. But now you buck with Beatles and invest in something whack. Me, the third person, I like the first version. But then you switch your style and compile a Dunker version. I guess you're feeling the points of peer pressure. Never do what Beatles do, even if they sweat you. Old principles, it's like you never had a need for. You're the one on my list I deeply intercede for. Hey, let your ears be deadened to the screaming of Beatles and all the mess that they treaded.
Oh man, there she goes again, blocking my vision. Her plan to see my death by any means, the mission. One glance could spark the blaze I left extinguished back then. Back when she had me trapped in the pleasures of sin, I must refuse to give in and take the kingdom by force. But of course, oh so tempting, her voice of sibilant aroma, that of Egyptian musk if you will. Did a dance before my eyes to one of my favorite tunes, reminded me of what we had and how it ended so soon. Grave digger, steady looking for my corpse I assume. Mesmerized